Hi, this is Renee Bishop, and this Rejoinder video is in response to Kaylee Standards resettling the vetted refugees. I just want to make a disclaimer here at the beginning that I am in agreement with Kaylee that the United States should do more to help the refugees, to bring them into the country, to give aid to the vetted refugees. However, the assignment is to critique another student's view, so I will attempt to do that by going through Kaylee's points and provide an opposing view. Kaylee's first point is Genesis 1:27, which is the sanctity of life. God created male and female in His own image. And while I agree that these refugees are among the most vulnerable individuals in the world, the United States, as well as other stabilized countries, are not able to take in all of the refugees. Deuteronomy 10:18 through 19 says that He, meaning God, executes justice for the fatherless and the widow, and loves the sojourner or foreigner, giving him food and clothing. So we may not be able to let everyone who knocks on our nation's door inside, but we can pray for them and possibly have an organization that could provide food and clothing at the border. Just a suggestion. It's not anything that I've looked up, researched. Not sure that there's anything that does, any organization in place that does that, but thought it would be something that we could do to be helpful. The second argument is that refusing refugees into a country is tantamount to supporting genocide. So this is not necessarily true in all situations. In a little bit of the research that I did, I found that some refugees are actually choosing to return to refugee camps and doing very well. Some refugees actually lied to get their place in another country, and have actually been caught going back and forth between their home country and the country that they were granted asylum in. Kaylee's third point speaks of the fear of terrorism in the United States not being statistically or biblically supported. According to the Center for Immigration Studies, as of August 23rd, 2018, an Iraqi refugee was arrested in California accused of being a member of ISIS. Now, this does not mean that all of the refugees coming in will be part of ISIS, nor does it mean that they are all free of being a part of ISIS. The CIS also says that the reasoning behind lowering the cap for admitting refugees is that the newer vetting procedures of the United States will take more time, and there are only so many in the agency that do that type of work. So there are reasons that the numbers being admitted into the United States are low, and are being lowered. It's just that they don't have enough people to handle the newer procedures that are being put in place over the next year. So, as I said earlier, I truly am in agreement with Kaylee. However, there are opposing views, which say that the United States or other countries allowing refugees in is not a good idea. So, here we are.